is the D-Day. Yes, if Brenda Okosha, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Tomorrow is my birthday. My followers, when I celebrate, Kankemoya Ishi. Alaji.
Senior brother. Senior brother. Senior brother. Senior brother. Nah, I took a time and I get you, no way. I took a time and I get you, no way, no way, no way.
My inbox or my WhatsApp number.
Oh, okay, Biko, I need to come and get back. Hello, Tusiade.
So what, brother? So
what? I don't know. At least in a Kuchis I want Ndi Igbo. I'm gonna many people name is to understand this this our religion and I'm gonna
yes.
Many people I'm not the topic of today, but I am from Yukubakadat because of this low mentality. I'm one of some people with a low mentality. I want
yes.
How very, very low mentality. How could you church? How could you church? Later, they will not go back. Na church.
Exactly.
That means how they deceive. They are deceiving us.
Yes.
They are deceiving us. And you could church. Somebody like I try to make somebody. I don't want to call anybody's name.
Yes.
Man again. Onye ọwụla kwesịrị ikwuru n'eziokwu, onye ọwụla nọ n'ụzọ, onye ọwụla nọ na lane ya. Akwa na ọta, onye ọwụla nọ na lane ị na-eme ihe ọdịnala, gị eme ihe ọdịnala, ị na-eme ihe church, gị eme ihe church. Ugobele. And ha jere lekwe, ha na-use ha jere na black and white television ba na flat screen. Ihe niile ogene. Huh? How do you use internet? How do you use internet? How can I get more than a how do you man more all hamado? Man, how do you use internet? How do you use the phone? They don't actually accept that na when here again development. Yes. Development. Even the church even how make child education. How they make Thanksgiving. That
very thing Hannah condemn.
That very thing Hannah condemn. That is very, very wrong. My brother, you are doing well. You are doing well. At least I am very, very happy this morning that you bring me up. I am very, very happy. Thank you so much. I'm very happy now. You bring them up. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. I appreciate. Thank you.
No, don't worry. No, in American we enjoy. And what they always talk about one row.
Come where I'm gonna with in car where my car is.
Can we hear otra? Abuja.
Okay.
Yeah, Abuja. I'm on Imo State.
Okay.
I'm on your Macanolo. When we're banana, Macanolo. Ndi Ike.
I want to use this opportunity to inform you. Please reduce how you drag our tradition. I hate it because white man don't do such. Why are we dragging ourselves?
This you cannot white man. This mugu adre this comment na joya or why or the white man on our phone motor on aba Akwa white man no ya.
My brother.
Enwere ndị dị dom, enwere ndị dom.
My brother, ka m nwere nwayọ kọwara ya because na nwere nwayọ asị na onye a ikwu amaghọ ibezie.
Yes.
Asị na ikwu amaghọ ibezie. Ọkwọ nne ka Brenda Okorocha Brenda wafa nwanyị abi.
Yes, ọ wafa nwanyị. Ọ wafa nwanyị.
Nne ka nkọwalụgụ na nkọwalụgụ ịghọta. Adama akọtọ tradition ndị be anyị. Adama akọtọ tradition ndị be anyị. Emem wedding na 30th of December last year ejem nwanyị. And ụbọchị njem nwanyị n'Enugu State. Elolu m ebe a observe every culture and tradition ndị Enugu State in respect to ịnụ nwanyị. Emechasịchara nya dushon na mejuru ndị ọgọm ụgwọ as far as tradition is concerned. Then another thing na agwakwa ya owu. Ọwụ niile follow my page. Let me not point back to 2013 oge akwa my mom. Let me point at 4th of April ụbọchị akwa my uncle. Ọwụ na akwa nwoke like that na Nnewi. Tradition demanded na ndị nna ya ochie ya bịa gbafe ngwuru. Ọwụrụ na akwacha dị opinion na Nnewi ntu a ndị nna ya ochie abịa ha gbafe ngwuru. Ịmara na onwe ife a na-eme. Anyị mezu that tradition. Anyị jezi ndị nna ya ochie, which is nna ochie my dad. Because no yet all my dad. Anyị jezi ha traditional into osi wee do provided according to tradition ndị Nnewi. Anyị bụ mmanya bụrụ ife niile to required of us. I was myself. Just inform her, perform every traditional right to do to my uncle. Ndo kabia kacho kana nde nwosu noshie perform every traditional right. When near my uncle. Even you when I ife niile then ki we malukwa amalu. My days na Anambra State University gbara ya mụ echiri m igwe ndị Nnewi na gbara ya m echiri igwe ndị Nnewi na Anambra State University gbara ya m. Now isi na anyị na-akọtọ tradition agwa ngo na ide follow m or no nwere a particular section of ndị na-pretend no tradition ka ha na-eme na nya isi wee na-apụta tradition Igbo enweghị onye ụka na akoto tradition Igbo because na anyị niile perform
at all
traditional right in one way or the other. Yes, what we are against is idolatry. Idolatry, yes. Is not Igbo tradition.
Yes,
is not Igbo tradition. Echo emuta ya ofuma je mma kpọsịrị pages ebe ya wi ndị na-akụzi ife gbasara omenala ya wi iru ebe a ịmalụ na ikpere alụsị abụrụ Igbo tradition. Ikpere alụsị nọkwa ọdụ ka etu a mụnwa si wee na-ekpe Jesus Christ ngụnwa decide ya na ya ada ekpere alụsị si ebe a wee bịa decide ya or ka ijepụta alụsị si ebe a wee bịa ka ị na-ekpere ya. It is not our Igbo tradition. So why do you people keep talking about idolatry, which is never our Igbo practice? Yeah. So, onwere ebe na-akọtọ Igbo tradition. Ịghọta na ọ bụrụ na iwu a pagan, a stop hongo ikpere alụsị. Na ife mnwa gwara owo na ma ya esogbu wee kpe, which is not by force, but as for tradition, we are observing every good of Afiolo Keta. Ọwụ na n'ọlụlụ Afiolo Nnewi, I will still go down and celebrate the New Yam Festival. Yes.
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 And these people, most of these people now listen, tradition, and what do you stop tradition? Nobody is stopping tradition. Igbo tradition, both Imo State, Anambra State, Abia State, anywhere, Nalibo, Enugu State. More long say how long why na Vietnam? How long why na Vietnam? But long why na Vietnam tradition in Vietnam.
My brother, when he went, Brenda Okorocha, nke ikwuru kita ka mmesi we block go na the page. You got to go because I believe we Anambra people don't gossip much. Nke ikwuru kita okay follow. They decided in the issue birthday. Okay, Ndoka, thank you for coming right on time. I'll block you right away. Yeah, this is a process that started on Monday. Started on Monday. What is that? If you want to comment, yes, block. If you want to comment on my page, you comment responsibly. People who have a button on my page, I block you immediately. Modern time, either entertain now. Brenda, this particular we Anambra people don't gossip. We say either another comment related to that again. I'll block you. Then you go off. Jenna page is able to naka ko blast rekono nako. You gotta go. How do I like pages need na support if I believe or blast rekafana kweba. But even on my own page or blast rekanako. I will give you opportunity to retrace that thing when next you are commenting. But if you comment in that manner again, I block you up off this page. Man, you belong go here. You don't need to be here because you are not here to argue constructively. You are here to come and tell me that you can impose what we believe in, which I don't want it. So you know, comment here, but if you want to say something reasonably. A comment in another, I will block you immediately. Off this page you go, brother Gavaniru.
So, Obodoni learn with a tradition. Obodoni learn with a tradition. At least I have an opportunity to travel out to so many countries in the world. Thailand with a tradition. Vietnam with a tradition. So many countries with a tradition. Well, long while Vietnam. Emblem tradition. It's from Media tradition. I did their tradition. Now Igbo Land here. Now Igbo Land here. I want a tradition. Man, if Arusi, I would do tradition. If Arusi, I would do tradition. Most these people now Amadi here tradition and again if Arusi, they don't know the Amadi the different. That is the problem.
True.
Amadi the different. Oh, na agenti. Mona the difference between tradition and if Arusi. Only different. Is it all two different things? If Arusi and again tradition, Igbo tradition. Igbo tradition, when Igbo tradition, there's when time Igbo say na Arusi, can I get better? No. Obodo their own tradition. Imo State with a tradition, Anambra with a tradition, Enugu State with a tradition, Abia with a tradition, Ebonyi with a tradition. Or would if
my brother, you can never educate a moment of truth. Thank you, Valentine. Thank you, Chimobi Dalo. You can never see them. They can either tell you good. Good is it because of the
yes.
Good Ishi Good what I go? What you can able Dibia name Ordinary Igbo. Or say, go be a cog, Osirike. What I go?
Yes. At all. I had a wall. No.
Even the Igbo name on Yabatan if onye Igbo. O will lodge if onye wonye name Omenala ma onye wu onye nze. O will lodge ka obebele. Oya akpọ ndị nna. E wota go. No na ya je kpọwa alụsị nge na ebe a. Alụsị nge na ebe a. E say that onye a wu dibia or na onye a wu ebele alụsị.
Yes.
It's as simple as that. So how does name mistake Igbo culture to be Ibera Alose?
To be Igbo culture would be at all. If never some obodo, and was some obodo gana kefa, Kita obodo gana kefa now. Ega fana machiri, if I'm machiri wogo. Man had a Omenala. How Omenala? This Pempiam Modibia, it deceive all our young boys. If each of you in Nigeria now. 70% of it will ndị ihe dibia all how because number one, our youth know the hustle again. Ha believe na ha ukwu ha ruhala na nke dibia agwola ha ogwu. That is their belief now. Ha believe again, if they don't even ha believe on their self again. Ha believe na ihe dibia ga-emere ha. Ha wee boba. This is their belief. Yeah, sometime there's a video some time ago. IG and some commissioner of police. See, this problem we should go China again. More than investigates ritual killings on a from Ndedibia. Ebony Igami to Edibia, as with a mado. Gawatishi mado. Keju Walla go. Gawatanka. So, problem here, Pia Modibia. I want to catch at one day, some young Alaji. I know, say, you I'm a Newoga, Manantro Biakam Saga, Haki, Wegike, Dikuka, Anade, Nsianam, Ebitro travel. My first travel, Mbemle travel 1999. My first travel, Igbo Budo, my first Obodo 1999. Managa Robo. Even I took your family net words. I took your family net words. You know, rich. Mwetagi. Mse idele message ozo mwetagi. Mbago kubara sigoko. Man, when a young boy get here and a young boy need drill, young boy did, and when that body desperate to get money, ya fall into it immediately. Your last year make it up on immediately. Your last year man on me. So these people now cause have work in Igbo Land. Had cause have work in Igbo Land. Had even this show off, this fake show off on our youth in ties. Had they met our youth in ties. Instigation everywhere. And I say Ibrahim say uzi o arusi gini ka arusi mepro na Igbo gini ka gbamo fi ihe arusi mepro na Igbo gbamo fi ihe arusi mepro na Igbo icheko nothing, absolutely nothing. Nothing gini ka arusi mepro na Igbo aga no there arusi o ụmụnna ya ọnwụ na ụmụnna ya ndị na-ekwu maka omenala Igbo a nwere ike ibido dowe ụmụnna ya anya ka ha malụ na ụfọdụ ụzọ a ha na-aga abụrụ Igbo tradition mana their silence to that na-eme ụmụazị be anyị ha efilusi oge yes no tradition we anyị na-eme ịghọtago na ife niile aha ha na-eme because o nwere ife ikwuru ebe a show off ụfọdụ ụmụ nwa dibịa na-eme ha na-eme show off ahụ ewere ya na attract ụmụazị anyị ka ha bịa kwụọ ụgwọ ha na ọ bụrụ na ndị a mechie anya ha turn all their blind eye to that ọ ya dey teach our people more into belief na ịgwọ ọgwụ so na omenala ahụ ha na-ekwu maka and that has always been one of my problems. So many things in Omenala Igbo. Even na Igbo kita, ile anya kita, anyị wa na-egbuzi onwe anyị. But na abroad, anyị wa na-egbu onwe anyị na abroad. N'obodo Igbo ifuru here na ndị Igbo na-egbuzi onwe ha na abroad. Gịnị ka ọwụ? Onye n'obodo Igbo for more than 10 years nwere ike ịkpata $5,000 o send ya na Nigeria. Ọrụkwa ka eji ọnụ ụlọ mana kama ka eji gwọọ ya ọgwụ. And ọgwụ ọwa na-agwọ ọwụrụkwa real. Enwere kwa real. None of them is ihe niile kwa jege. Ofu na ka ya na-arụkwa ihe niile kwa jege. Enwere kwa ke wuri, enwere kwa onye si na obu agbara hia na yeme. Gịnị ka haji? Enwere haji. Mana all this deceive, ha na deceive ụmụnna anyị. Deceive ụmụnna ya nwere onye eke enwere one boy nwere problem na abroad. Gịnị ka o ji nwee problem? Na ọ batara Nigeria meet ofu mpịampịa mmụọ na Nigeria agwọọla ya ọgwụ ya alawa. Ọgwụ ọ na-azụ ezu before ọgwụ ọ na-ezu ezu ebu before ya eburuzi ọgwụ gawa n'airport na ihe akọvala ya na nwere protection oruzo n'airport agụba ya pịa ya 320 years. Ndị Asia ha na-egwu egwu. Ndị Asia na-egwu egwu. Kwa ya ha 320 years. While ihe ọ na-eme for years. Ọ na-ezu ezu na-eme ya. Now ọ bịazie bịa gwozi ọgwụ filize na ọ wụọla onye dibịa gwa ya sị ya na onwero ihe niile agawagwu. This is the problem anyị na-aga through. Our youth na-ada arụ ọrụ. Again, enwere ike ụlọ na-amụ ọrụ again. Enwere ike ụlọ na-azụ ahịa again. Ihe ha believe na gịnị ka anyị ga-gwọ ọgwụ. Emege pụta tomorrow get some tradition. Pụta tomorrow get some tradition. Ebe na-enwere youth anyị nwere Ishi. Pụta tomorrow get some tradition. Tradition ahụ ga-egbu gị. Tradition ahụ ihe ga-egbu gị. If ị na-ede comment, sometimes gị were nnu ịsa your brain asa sị otu ọ dị kịta otu ọ dị before. Ndị ke influencers na-asị ndị chọọchị mere nke a, gaa n'azụ go and investigate ka mara their source. Go and investigate them. Onye ke si n'ọwụ o mepere ka ya na-akpụ ya Igbo traditional this gịnị ka ọ na-eme? Ọ na-ekpe ekpere na chọọchị ya. A na-enye onyinye ihe niile ndị chọọchị na-eme n'ụwa. Ọ na-eme ha nche niile. So unu na-edeceive m ka unu na-edeceive onwe unu. Onye unu na-edeceive. Ihe ndị chọọchị na-eme ha nche niile ọ na-eme ya. Ọ gara Lagos, ọ gara program na Lagos. Somebody na-eme ihe chọọchị, ihe ọdịnala gara chọọchị. Ọ gara egwu ka na chọọchị. Ọ gara egwu ka na chọọchị ọdịnala ya. Ọ gara egwu ka dị ya.
Okay, brother, our brothers and sisters, we got different interactions with people today. What I go so round up.
No problem, my brother. No problem. So, my brother, you are doing well. That is all I have to say. You are doing well. You are, listen, you are a man. At least I know you started with little, but I know that God will take you higher.
Thank you.
Because you believe. Video na my page. He believe. Grace. And that grace will never stop. That grace will take you where you will never expect.
Thank you.
Another person in love with the way I love you. This is a VDM, very dark man, but very dark man is about the way my brother the Okuro Ndi Igbo. This guy. Mbahaka beba butuo say that this guy is not what I think, you know. But you stand. You even despite what they are saying, you still stand on your truth. So you're a man.
Thank you.
Thank you. Very well. More on a page, the young Alaji. Oh, half a page. I'm gonna page, you know, 49,000 followers. More I am influencers. Ndị single mothers are young widows. Ndị ụwa na-emewu, maybe ndị ụmụ nwoke berite, maybe atọ nwaanyị ime hapụ ya, then years to come ha bịa iklem the baby. Nwa ị natara afụfụ ya, nwa ị na-agbapụtara na hospital, nwa ịdị na ya dị na ya. Ụdịrị ụmụ nwoke aka m na-edi with nweta ha mpịakpuo ha inside. Ọhịa m na-arụ. Inside immediately. Human right. I didn't mean homework. All one the human right. Chiga ha. So, and some single mothers today, you know, all of them deserve second chance. That is my preach. Yes, I know most of them are not what, but there's some good single mothers. And when they disappointed. And when there's some single mothers already with Obi Omaha, and they had already on a day, but again, Habana the husband, one of the husband, a beast. How pota?
Ofaduni may have victim of circumstance.
Yes, Ofaduni may have victim of circumstances. So they deserve second chance. But I want Ndi Igbo, I want the Nigeria, Africans, I generalize Hanchanila as nothing. They are nothing.
Yes,
I generalize Hanchanila as nothing, but they are something. They are something. Right. You understand? Right. So that is my fight, to change those mentality, to say, it's not like this. And when single mothers, and when they on a primary school, JSS1 at Wahime, on the brother I will have to Wahime, how about a single mother? So, and that sense, their sense that time, everybody now, mother, even when some single mothers today, so also of whom me to come to walk, had you and walk on or to Wahime. Nda deserve a second chance. Our mothers and our fathers. I don't know why, but I say no one before. I say, hey, my master book with your job. Oh, you wouldn't do it. But I won't mind that I'm better than one. I won't mind that I'm better than one. And one had the womb. And one had the evening. And one had the womb. Bemegla Ejula abortion. Mesa after her. I'm better than wow. But the better than the single mothers kahama. So, yeah, I'm not preach. This is my way of my part of my own influencer. I'm going to influencing job.
But okay, my brother, I will follow you.
So we'll follow you. No problem. Thank you so much. I'm going to drop your WhatsApp number and my DM. Because
excellent. Okay.
I'm going to drop your WhatsApp. Drop your WhatsApp na DM. Because
yeah. Because I'll do that. I'll do that. Thank you very much, brother. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay. I actually have interaction here. Yeah. Let us have this interaction today. Yeah. Tomorrow is my birthday, as you can see. I'm sipping some wine. White wine. What I go? I'm a series of programs, but I seriously want to have some interactions with people today. So, Tata, can I verify our program? Let us know. Some people are there. Area ebe ezugosi wena pota. Before I even talk about event, what I go? Event take gas place from next tomorrow, not tomorrow. Yeah. Next tomorrow, not tomorrow. Because tomorrow I will be on the road. What I go tomorrow I'll be on the road. But next tomorrow, Thursday and the Friday. Yeah, thank you, Evangelist Gene Kashi. On will event here follow up my birthday celebration on Thursday and the Friday. What I know? So before I talk about that, I can clarify here some people. A lot of people amale bezu goku. Na Omenala, the last time I studied about our culture and tradition, I saw clearly what it entails. Now, almost called on a man to group personal belief in say personal belief if I with or if you're gonna you must not drag me into it. Omenala Igbo jikọrọ ndị Igbo niile ọnụ. Culture and tradition ndị Igbo jikọrọ mmadụ niile ọnụ. Agwa ngona culture with the people's way of life. Then tradition who a way of transferring it from one generation to another. Okay, ngwa ndị Nnewi nọ na live broadcast ma o nwere omenala Nnewi wikpere alụsị. Achọrọ m ịjụ Nnewi, ndị Nnewi nọ n'ebe a. Omenala Nnewi or wikpere alụsị. o nwere mgbe culture anyị ji wee gwa anyị na-edo Nnewi ya na anyị niile ya ada ekpere eda. When last ka igwe Nnewi na-achị Nnewi bara ime edo? When last ka igwe Nnewi kpọrọ onwe igwe na-eje ụka, igwe ke na-eto orizu? When last ka igwe anyị bara ime edo? Yes, which is to tell you that na ikpere alụsị, as far as Nnewi to concern, it's all about choice. But njirimara Nnewi iwu na ndị Nnewi nwere usoro ha si anụ nwaanyị, mana list here differ from ụmụnna to ụmụnna. But that same way, that same system ka ndị Nnewi si anụ nwaanyị. Ịbịa kụọ aka, ịbịa mee nke dị otu a, ịbịa mee nke dị otu a. Ife awụ omenala Nnewi in respect to ịnụ nwaanyị. Abịa na ịgba nkwụ, enwekwalụ usoro ye. Abịa na ịkwa nwoke, enwere usoro ye. Abịa na ịkwa nwaanyị, enwere usoro ye. Abịa na onye mere alụ, emere usoro ye. Abịa na ịgba ọsọ ọchụ na onye mere alụ ma ọ bụ onye gburu mmadụ, ịgba ọsọ ọchụ. Ife niile a culture and tradition of ndị Nnewi. But onwerozi that part of our culture as ndị Nnewi gwara anyị na iwulili iwu na ya ada efe eto Nnewi. Onwero. So kedu ife dị difficult ndị be anyị ịda aghọta? Ọ dịrọ difficult. Yes, onwere onye na-ebe anụrụ nwaanyị ya sị na o jeho fulfill traditional right. Omenala ka ije eme na ịbụ na o nwere ndị na-ebe asefu chichara echichi. Yes, o nwere ndị na-ebe asefu iwu ochiri night n'ụlọ ụka, chekwachikwa echichi na village obodo ụkpọ to honor you with a chieftaincy title. You accept, you take that chieftaincy title. You got to go. That is it. Ichi ga echichi ụka, chikwa echichi omenala. Ọfala igwe anyị niile na-anọ na palace ikpe celebrate ọfala igwe New Yam Festival, which is Iri Ji. Emume ha na-eme before ebido libeji. Anyị niile na-eso na part of it. So kelee ebe ekwuzi wee na-anụsa anyị ọgụ. Amụghị m ebe ekwu wee na-anụsa anyị ọgụ. Ịghọtago? Ọ na m ebelieve ho na nna m na nha mma hapụ ka ha zuru ike everyday ana m akwa afa ha. Ebelieve ho na ngụnwa believe na you can go on. Adama force so na iwulile iwu na ga jebe ụka. Ọ bụrụ ife nna force nna m nwere n'ụka. Kedu ife ma ya eji eje ụka? Ịghọtago? Nna m nwere n'ụka, especially ebe m follow that na ụka efelugo my dad, ụka efelugo my family. So why should I be the one who is going to change that narrative? Na family niile with case family niile, onwe onye na-echebe dibia eji agwọ ọgwụ, ọ na-eji agwọrọ onwe personal ọgwụ. Otu nwe ebe ya abata na family anyị niile fụ ebe ekechiri ugwu nwa na ebe saa akwa white apụtaghị ụmụnwa afia olesi nọ nke mmadụ ji ewebata personally debe otu anya nọ personal decision nwoke ichi je webata, mana ọgwụkwọ maka na collectively na nke awụ ife family debere no ejedo onye na my family because na nna anyị ha jere ụka. Ịghọtana? A nwere my dad ha n'ime ụlọ ụka, my dad ha mụọ anyị n'ime ụlọ ụka. Kedu ife ị na-ewesiri m iwe? Kedu ife ị na-agọrọ m iyi? Kedu ife o ji adụ ka ijide m ịdọwuo m? Within the last how many years, apart from no nwere akụkọ anyị na-akọ ebe anyị akpọ afa nna my dad, nyaahụ na ịnụ na my dad ya akpọ Michael Dike. Minus that, kedu ife onye ejiwe every morning, every afternoon, every night na-akpọ Michael Dike nwụọ n'alụ since ahụ ne ka ndụ today echedoho nya ahụ how many years ka my mom do n'alụ married into Dike's family. Ojedoho Michael Dike ahụ. Ịghọtana? So kedu ife a na-akpọrọ ya ọnya ka ị na-ewe elu m iwe ka nghọta ebe nnọ wee mejọ gị. Achọrọ m ịghọta ebe nnọ wee kwuchọ gị, ghọta ebe nnọ wee mejọ gị. Na nsị ụgwọ ha bụ ndị mgbe ochie gaba n'ala onwe ha ka ha gaba ala onwe ha. Let us forge ahead. Ịghọtago? Na society anyị bi na today do different from ife ndị ancestors anyị biri na Evangelist Gene, thank you. Ọnya wee ebe nnọ wee mejọ gị. Ọnya wee ife ọjọọ mmelugu ị na-ewere iwe ochi do ife ezugo do ka ọgụ dọri ezugo ife ezugo so ọdụ ka ọgụgụ ezugo. Ịghọtago? I am speaking like this because now tomorrow is my day. But I don't want anything that will spoil my day. Yeah, as a matter of fact, if you want us to discuss constructively, we engage each other constructively. You will tell what you believe in. I bring my own. I are two on a table. I analyze at the end of the day. At the end of the day, such is life. Man, they put on a comment section. Patrick, good morning. It will be a go my dad, go my mom, what I go. A cost one Namu Melogono, weapon Melu. What I go to everything Melogo one. A belief and keep belief and can believe. Yet I need a window menana. Everyone feeble window menana. Uboneke Katana na Lagos. Even few people marry few people. Uboneke Katana na Lagos. Fwebe ato canopy. Asa ono nkuka na agba. Osikike na efia. Uboneke Katana na Lagos. Fwebe ato canopy. Asa ono akomozuka na agba. Osikike. Ndi Igbo believe chalo na so many things to the point that na mmadu nwere ike ịnwụ na America. They spend there over $15,000. We bunate na village benne. We biakwa ye. Niye na nguru benne. That is how much we hold that culture and our heritage. Yes. Mmadu nwere ike onweghị ego na America mana ọ ya ayọ ndị ụmụnne ya n'ebe a gwa ha do na favor ọ na-ayọ ha awụ ụbọchị ọwụ na ọ ya anwụ ha make eche ọ na-ebugidogie punata na family ya. That is all. Ndubisi Patrick Ikechukwu, thank you sir. They got to go. That is all. Etu aka ndị Igbo si wee hold sie ani Igbo so precious. But when it comes to spirituality, my loyalty must not lie where your own lies. That is the only thing natural can call our people. Go. That is the only thing natural can call our people. My dad and my mom will I name unoka. Polai Bani Munoka. Swai Nusulundoka. But today I grew now up. Even my dad, because my mom and even my daddy Moloma Monafo Ada as he said for some Jelka, generally Sambat, generally Holy Trinity, generally Our Lady. No, or that's it, mate. I believe all I understand to go the fact that I'm moving a decision of my own now. Being Namaga for go 18 years. They got to go. Namun with freedom, on Emeka, thank you. Namun with freedom issues to any church or not to even go at all. Yes, I can't remember the last time man on Uno. Let's say I batashalo Uno, no and Newi. Aquado me. I mean, Opasuke, or some working. Why did you hoka? No, I can't remember the last time on Noria. Yes, can't remember the last time on Noria. Yeah, so I one Grecan. Ngwe she needed a maybe to redeem or Yakusenya. Ngwen maybe to winners or Yakusenya. Ngwen maybe to Zion or Yakusenya. I want yourself on a Maya Jesu can chancha advice to come with the kingdom. You want to go? You want to go? Yes, Pope Emmanuel, Alex Ogwa, thank you. That it is as simple as that. Our brothers, he will not know. Okay, ngwa Jemekenezienu Omenala bụ ụzọ eziokwu adona mkpọ ọwụrụ na unu niile nọ na Facebook advocate for that ministry na-eje ye ka kịta that hall ebe a na-aka ụka ahụ aya accommodate ndị n'ebe a ha suppose ka ije chọrọ a bigger place kedu ife anyị na-aghọrọ ile onwe anyị ịghọtara if I know man, Constitution of Nigeria, understand the fact that this thing can cause problem between brothers. That is why you need freedom of worship and association. Yes. Eba ka Constitution because no man no obey na onye Muslim ya chọrọ ka ọ fọsụ ọwụ ka ewuru onye Muslim. Ịghọtago? Onye Christian ya chọrọ ka ọ fọsụ ọwụ ka ewuru a Christian. Igwe Amos, thank you. Shindebem Daro. Ịghọtago? Ama na-enwelu aka nwekwuru so many religious group na mmadụ, religious organization na mmadụ ọdụ na Nigeria do too much. All one thing na mmadụ. But you are only focusing on one major one concerning the majority of Ndi Igbo and the indigenous one on our traditional religion. You are focusing on two of them. To see the ife so no onye bụ isi omenala na Nnewi. To see the ife and omenala man no gido ndụ nwụkwa enikwe n'ụdị omenala. To see the ife nnukwute mmadụ ka ọ wụ na Nnewi, Ikenga Nnewi. Ịnụrụ ụbọchị akwara ya, ụbọchị ike dị ife nwụrụ wee ruo today. Eziokwu sọsọ daalụ enube na-akwara Ikenga Nnewi. Ọ na ịmụ na ọ wụrụ na-akwara Ikenga Nnewi na akwamozie ya nọ na almost all the blogs, newspaper. In fact, ọ na ịmụ idea the burial ya do scattered all over Facebook, but o bilu ndụ ya n'ụdị omenala nwụkwa debekwa ụmụ ya na-ekwuru ya ezigbo. Eniri Ikenga Nnewi like an ordinary person. Ntụndụ omenala si eni ozu. That is it. Onidiro that burial. Ụmụ ya bịa kpọọ canopy, akpọ VIP. Onidire yet onya nwe Ike Dị Ife hospital na Nnewi, and he did very 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 well for himself. Ọ kpara ego, kpata ego, nwee ego, zụta ụmụ ya tolite, kpata ego, nwee ego. Yes. Onwe nwoke Diokpala Tuzie Junior wo the last candidate in the APC, gubernatorial candidate in the APC na Anambra State. Tuzie Ike Dị Ife Junior. So na ọwụrụ na ka enye Ike Dị Ife the befitting burial o deserve by ụmụ ya, ha enye nya top class burial. But ọ chọrọ ya yet ife nji wee kwu maka Ike Dị Ife ka iwe malụ na Ike Dị Ife afọ so ụmụ ya niile na ha ya eso solo ahụ so na ya. Ịghọtago? Ike Dị Ife afọ so ụmụ ya na iwulile iwu na usoro. Ọ bụrụ na a father aya afọ so nwa na nna agọ mmụọ na ị ga-agọrịrị mmụọ na nna eje ụka na ihe ejeriri ụka. Agụgụ m unu ugboro na-egwu unu na-enwere dibịa na ụmụnna m. Enwere m dibịa na ụmụnna m. Akataka dibịa lụgolo unu elu. Ịma na ọ bụrụ ọsọ akwa ha dibịa lụgolo unu elu. Dibịa nna agwa nwe na ụmụnna m alụgo unu elu, even before akwala unu elu. Ịbata na compound etu dị ife debe ahụ duplex na ụmụnna m ndị same ụmụnna mụ na ya na-eme meeting ụmụnna. Ịghọtago? But nwunye na-eje ụka, ụmụ ya na-eje ụka. Ịghọtago? Ebe o jekwu nụrụ nwaanyị wu ndị na-eje ụka. Mkpọlụ the family ya agba because no nwere ofu onye n'ime ha nọ na Facebook na-epurukwa weight. Ịghọtago? Onwere onye o distọbụrụ, onwebụghị ụbọchị ọgwa nwunye na-participate na activities niile a na-eme na New Life Anglican Church ọbụla eze. Nwunye na-participate, ụkọchukwu na-abịa be ha, dibịa okwu agwụ edube. So achọrọ m ịma on what ground ka ngụ nwa ahụ nwa dibịa ịhada eje inwehodo nzube, inwehodo ụzọ ọchị be, inwehodo edobe. Ịghọtago? Kedu ife onye eji mee ịfụsi ezugo ọdụkọgụdọ jide ezugo dọlie ya efu m ọdụkọgụ jide m dọlie na mụ mere ogono ka m mere ya agwụkwọ na anụ m na efu unu filuo na ụka na ifu ndị na-eje ụka iwe a na-eweghị ọdụkọgụ gbuo ha. Jee na your family na ọkọm egbugbo ugboro na go to your family ilu ebe ahụ ifo agha start from them. Ndị ahụ ndị nwere advantage over because na go na ha grow up. Ikekwe ụfọdụ n'ime ha ndị nne na nna ahụ mụrụ ahụ. Jee na ka nwe opportunity to speak to them in the language they will understand. Hapụ na ngụnwa onye ebe wụrụ onye Nnewi, ngụnwa onye Ọka wụrụ onye Nnewi, iwu onye Ọba wụrụ onye Nnewi, iwu onye Imo State wụrụ onye Anambra, iwu onye Enugu State wụrụ onye Anambra. The distance and the boundary do too much. Why do you think you can start with me? Why do you think you can start with me? It doesn't add up. It doesn't add up. So that is why we decided from Sunday, program. Eso no fonye kana kpọbata esigodu na iwu onye omenala bụ ụzọ eziokwu na iberibe n'omenala. Ana m eme program mo, you send their request, I will bring you in. Even if I bring you in, yes, when you engage in constructive argument, when you allow people to constructively criticize you, that will show that name we feel. So I allow people to come in so that we can share diverse view. But the result what to either agree when if you come on personally, when I have business partner, when I have one day, I have blog, I have liquid, I have blog what to be. Will be so malum. Man, if a comment section, it go on me. When I decide to go, that time is over. It go here in my page, block or immediately. What I go is better than well 5 followers or 1 or 5 followers have. Whether on they believe we even know or not even they believe we even know. But let us be exchanging ideas constructively. That is what I believe in. But those days of either corner, yeah, you move Philip. Those days of either corner, I agree. It is over. You do that, I block you immediately. That is my own birthday resolution. Hey, man, and a New Year resolution. But the day of your birthday is the beginning of a new year for you. So this is my birthday resolution. I have decided that I cannot entertain any mischievous behavior on my page. This is a 21st century kind of it. You want to go? Let us reason this and then. One more thing before I talk about my birthday. And my brothers, Ndi Zion minister. Onwere ife Governor Isiagu kwuru na broadcast here yesterday on Sunday. In comment here, some people join my comment, made the angry emoji. Let me tell you people, if a goseleo ni kwuru na do mma, you know na ewu, your patriotism to that particular A or B. Personally, I started talking about Zion ministry. I started speaking for the Zion. I started defending Ebukobi, not because of him, Ebukobi in particular, not because of Zion ministry as a church, but because I am a Christian and they are Christians, and an injury to one is an injury to all. You want to go? Don't not mind them that some people make mistake here. Or no, my own is that I see what they are doing as a direct attack to the body of Christ. Therefore, I came out. I stood just to defend the body of Christ. Yes. Now, nobody if I govern Isiagu, which is Isiagu. If I govern Isiagu, no, Serena. Na ndị Zion abụrụ ndị ga-eje n'ụlọ ọgụ. Na reason na o ji wee kwuo na ha abụrụ ndị ga-eje n'ụlọ ọgụ wụ na ikwuo ife gbasara fa, ọ bụrụ na ikwu ife consignụrụ Zion ministry and Ebukobi, they will share your videos. But ikwuo another thing, abụrụ ife consignụrụ ministry Zion and Ebukobi, they will not share your video. That is true. That is true. That behavior should be addressed the same way with a lot of our Christian folks. You people are not encouraging those of us known as this front line. You people are not encouraging us. I don't think they put on a social media platform. No will an organization carrying Christianity. There is none. Afọ eme video kwa afọ Ebukobi. If you share in hundreds or God, if you video ebe a na-agba afa ye ọ na-enwe 100 and something thousand views. If we start going by that percentage, yes, if we start going by we shouldn't even be where we are today. Mama Ijo and the rest of us. Suppose Iji page maybe comedy or maybe another thing. Yes, I am telling you now the reality because I am crossing over to my new age. So let me tell you the reality where some of us are getting it wrong. Yes, I believe not because of numerous testimonies and they went on Zion. Zion more people, right? That is true. Now let us talk about Christianity in general. A platform more like for Christians, and that platform will your own Christian faith on our uphold. But that platform are they grow as much as it was supposed this year grow. Do you think that it is a good this thing to measure Christianity? Or a platform anti-Christian, or a platform anti-Christ, or a platform that speaking against everything Christians hold sacred, and that platform may grow with the speed. What does it show you? Does it show you that now maybe na Amaka or maybe na Donjo? It is just me trying to state the fact here. All na page on a Bible nonsense. If for that particular video on a Bible nonsense, onwe mmadụ 300 or 400 share here, the potassium na Bible ultimate, or mmadụ 20 or mmadụ 15 share here. What does it show you? Physical statistics do long way for you to see. Yes. So that behavior also should stop. That's nature until we follow picture Kobe or whether they have a Zion. We pay attention to the post. An injury to one is an injury to all. I have never stepped my foot into Zion ministry before. And yet, I'm outside defending Zion because I am defending the body of Christ, not because I am a direct member of Zion. So, when you a Zion member, you are making a very great mistake. You are making a very great mistake because that is the honest truth. The governors, the people's governor, a lot of people who some people angry emoji to even nepu. But even nepu you want me the very day until the picture Kobe Kobe Ebiashi Mana meku Kobe Yeshi Mana program and a mena this page. Program and a mena Zion prayer movement in a Shia every morning, every afternoon, and every night. Every hour Abagoye. Or every hour Abagoye. So it's better we start treating ourselves as one family. Because everybody will like to join the moving train. It is only few people who have principle and who have that resilience and resistance in them, persistence, with disregard that moving train, knowing fully well that now they move fast does not mean not the way leading to life. I am telling you people the honest truth. Those people who want to destroy you, they are prepared, they are ready, they are looking for every platform that is speaking ill about you. Not just you. Don't forget that. The whole nation defend the only Zion ministry alone. The Opuluna declare that the natural Christianity. Even Zion ministry, they are Christians. They are not pagans. So Opuluna in nature, Christians in general. mana ekwuo maka Zion ministry as a church ịgbapụta na nke a gbasara. It means you are getting it wrong. It means you are getting it wrong. Yes. Obulunas after school who holy child. Holy child. After school no was help the child. But who need school go on and run. Ekwuo maka na emechi schools na schools do useless. Emechi ọnụ. If onye sere if ndị support na emechi school ha na-eshi asị ekwuzie ifuzi onye na-ekwu no na schools ha emechi na schools na-enwere important role schools na-play in our society. Ihe eje shi aya mana mgbe onye all after school in particular ịpụta shi aya Godwin Chinedu da ịpụta shi aya, you are making a very great mistake, because what you are failing to understand is that na ọbụrụ na ndị ha na-ekwu na school ya emechi succeed ye ni end ka school mechie, your own school will not be existing as a name, because your school is a school. The name is just your name, but it is a school. So that is where we are getting it wrong. Write down. Na my inbox write down. You are doing well. You are doing well. Is how well are you sharing that message for people to be seen? How well are you sharing that message for people to be seen? That is it. JNN every anti-Christian page. Yes. JNN every anti-Christ page. Go there and see what is happening. Those people to determine to spread that message for people to see. But you are relaxed. You are relaxed. Look, let me tell you. Today, the family, ebe go bido gasri na Nnewi, applause na that family, ke go catch us na Nnewi today. Yes, there was a time Louisi Odumegwu Chukwu was the champion of ego. Now even Africa, not just Nnewi. Today, let us leave Africa. Na Nnewi family you also know in terms of money. He shows. In fact, to family will go na Nnewi. Kolomana watobi ha sere ya gupena Odumegwu Chukwu family. Yes. Think of Africa, no nisha. Madu nekwa ke madu prominent basic today. Yes. I'm a no will win the House of Assembly there. Yeah, you see, a Canadian Dibe, a Canadian family today. Madu any low the family today. Koyawo apotata wafaha. As you okay, yes, that they can be able to compete with people like so many people I and they. You see. So don't think that because they constitute of majority that you cannot be dragged down. You are lying. Consistency in message can destroy anything in this life. Let me tell you, consistency in message. The way Antichrist, the way has to way to consistent, the way their followers is the way to genuine and active in promoting what they are saying. Can destroy anything. Don't even get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. So, in our relax is equal as a Christian. No, after all, I want you to think about the family. Many years ago, nobody believed that no family when he get a challenge to the family they go today. The mother says self no naka which is a Canadian school. Obanaka Mike Ilo, which is on Oneni. Today, a Canadian school is late. On Oneni is late. Today, even na kela aba Ogofia Otolobeha, is on now. Ijapan Ogofia Otola, if somebody to Igrigianedo. When you go to their houses today, they have very beautiful houses and compounds. But they go and then when they go Ogofia today, you cannot even start again from their family. That glory is good for that family. But what I am saying is that it go and see the top. Here bit from there. That is to show you that consistency is the key. These people are after the entire Christendom, not only Zion. They only use Zion and few churches as an scapegoat to reach out to other people. So if we have a program, Christians may share post to related to Christians in numbers. Messages are treating at the other side. I will give you an instance. Let me even give you a clear example. Careful. Yet, one day na say na message. How can you prove that na message? And I'm actually proof go through na message. Message not that. If not by the level of people like that message and the level of people share that message. Yes, they share if you like you. If you don't even matter, share message you like you. Fear. Yes. You have even matter, share message you like you. So for the fact that that page may when more people will share before they go through no name of man. Yes, that is what you are helping them to prove. You want to go? Let me use somebody Doka he heard as an example. Because I'm going to believe that no more message. He believe that no more message, not intelligent. But I can tell you, this post to this video 13 hours ago. Video with 314 likes and 78 shares. This one 22 hours ago. Video with 1,600 or live program. Video with 1,600 likes and 312 shares. Who made this video 1 day ago? Video with 98 shares and 425 likes. Who made this video 1 day ago? Video with 243 shares and 1,500 likes. Who made this video 2 days ago? Video with 420 shares and 1,600 likes. Who made this video 3 days ago? Video with 584 shares and 2,800 likes. How can you prove to him if they make wrong? I want to ask you, a Christian, how can you prove to him? Does it mean that millions of population of Christians who are Igbos? I'm asking you. Yes. But something not there, maybe something not there, maybe for the Christians can have people make that one. Yes. So at the end of the day, even Jaguar at the end of the day, now so many people, according to mentality, they buy it away. Now them don't like it. Who the ultimate, if not by him opinion pool. If you do opinion pool, based on what is happening online, it clearly shows that you're on the wrong track. Yes. It clearly shows that you're on the wrong track. I have to say it. I believe no one on the follow me. Yes. Adam may be like this. Adam may be like this. I will tell you the truth the way it is. So how can you be telling somebody no only 584 people share the program no only even up to 3 people share the program no only can need the right, man only got the wrong. The message only can need the right. The message only got the wrong. How can you possibly prove that? Is that not what is happening in our society today? Ebe Bobrisky yenwego. Ebe Bobrisky yenwego. Wulu millionaire. Negulu no na shortest area in Nigeria. Now what the kind of car on our? How can you tell your son that he make a wine? There is no anything to sustain that message. You don't have anything to sustain that message. Okay, na-agwa nwa emewu ka nwaanyị na ime ka nwaanyị na ọ ya akwụghị ụgwọ that you how can you sustain that message? You cannot. That is a message you can never sustain. Yeah? That is the message you can never sustain. So, ọ bụrụ na ị na-eche ụbọchị ekwuru maka chọọchị gị iwee pụta bịa shia vidio ka ndị mmadụ wee fụ na chọọchị gị na ha aha eme ife dị njọ, then you are making a great mistake. You are making a great mistake. Yes, you are making a great mistake. Also say fact and that you were ahead of us. Well, I'm not any other thing. Tell me. Well, any other thing. In as much as while that they don't have message, but how can you prove it? Can you prove that no one any message? I have just shown you that now 2,800 people reacted to that video. 2,800 people are asking. I am asking you. 584 people shared that video. 584 people are no. You got that? Okay, look at this one. 4,800 people reacted to the video, and 1,700 people shared that video. How can you prove to me the message you want to preach is not going far? How can you prove to me the message you want to preach is not going far? This is more like a reality test. This is a reality test. This is if I'm not to call no opinion pool came compare this side and contrast this side. He will malo page is for this kind of sharing. We look at the page here because be yourself. He will be not even na pages so many pastors. Magaria na Facebook pages of so many pastors. Pastors who then drop a video only 1,700 shares. Yes, I have to be honest to you today. I have to be honest with you today. As in Isiagu, when he came I snow report. They will go to Cambodia fan. So that is the truth. I need to embrace it today. That is the truth. I need to embrace it today. Otherwise, we will take it that now these people are right. Yes, we will take it that these people are right and we have been wrong all this while. That is what I am saying. The people's governor and he will make a lot of sense. Only believe only a Christians. Can you pattern a page na shoko uphold or protect your Christian faith? Na mmadụ neke enwelu ịpụta na redeem mmadụ eju ịpụta na Zion mmadụ eju ịpụta ebe niile mmadụ eju. Do you want to be strict in that particular congregation? You believe in Christianity is for all. An injury to one is an injury to all. An injury to one is an injury to all. So we will be forced to believe that the message in that is the best message, because I will not upload the best message. Why do you think that people will be responding more to the messages? Sometimes you will be forced to believe that maybe you will examine yourself and know, am I doing the right thing? Because na part or na that part. Even if na East Lagos, na moto si na East Lagos. Kata ni ilo lonely. One year slow down. If you onye puta or divert about the other route, onye puta or divert about the other route, he agba break. Say, ke mal go dife patalo ju we wolongbo. Also who wo fu onye si do mana agba ni ila. Kelebe ndo so ni le. Ke mal ke ni fe na ebe ni ile ni ebe nde ni. That is the truth. Or we be maybe a wonderful speech, maybe a wonderful speech, mecha mmadụ bụ akụ aka. Onye ọzọ abịa maybe that speech nkụnwa akụghọkwa aka. Ịkụghọkwa aka na speech ahụ onye mee wonderful speech melu. O mechara ịkụ aka. Aka ekwughị obi ekwughị ụkwụrụ ya aka. Another person gazie maybe speech do against nke ahụ iberibe mecha ya ndị mmadụ kụọrọ ya aka massively. Can you say that no message onye ndị mmadụ? Eziokwu sọsọ say good message is like a mustard seed or yeast that grows with time. People that build in solid rock knows it takes time to build the foundation. No. You see? So that is it. You cannot prove it. That is why the body of Christ is constantly under attack. Massively. Massively. Because now a Christian, you are even stingy with the most commonest thing you can do is anywhere. Only my page. Anywhere a follow and a message in a dispute to cast Nina to Bodondoka. Ishi the best way propaganda is by responding to it. So when you see people who are responding to that propaganda, your duty is to share massively so that people will see. But if you are not doing that, what you are showing is that those people are right after all. What I go look at 471 shares, 1,800 reactions, likes, and you are telling me that now no common sense. Is that what you are trying to tell me? Yeah? Yeah? 144 shares, 132 shares, 168 shares, 199 shares, yeah? 1,200 shares, 289 shares, and you are telling me no common sense. It should eat the quiz or no common sense. Is that what you want? Yeah? You see, look at even let me even go to Wise Now TV. Let me go to Wise Now TV. The Wise Now TV, 34 shares. Yeah? 106 shares, 22 shares, 83 shares, 28 shares, 28, 35, 17, 30, 24, 168. These people are they to determine to bring what you are doing down. Go on, for nothing. What is the essence of sending a message that is not going anywhere? Yeah? I want you to tell me what is the essence of sending a message that is not going anywhere? Do you know that constantly that this page, our pages are constantly under attack? Do you know that our pages are constantly under attack? Are you aware? You are not aware. You don't aware. If you ride on, go help that complement that ride on. Yes, complement that ride on. Yeah, complement yeah. To active on that page, to very active on that page, to very active on that page. Otherwise, we will be forced to believe that we have always been on the wrong side, and not on the right side. Yes, that is it. We were meant to believe that we have always been on the wrong side, that we have been pushing the wrong narrative and not the right one. And I am being honest, saying it. Look at somebody do Ijuwa. Maybe Ijuwa platform here today. Preach made this thing he had a preach. If how rapidly Ijuwa, but that is not about that rapidly is because born the winning side. But the problem is that there is no patriotism, there's no support. Not that no one they born on the right side. Yes, but you are allowing people to be suppressing that message. You are not allowing that message to go far. Yes. You are not allowing that message to go far. Even for the no monetization ka eji eme ife a na-eme nke nwa na onwe iwu n'okwu ebe a na-eberivu ishi ya vidio ya ka peji egrozie ka gụnụ wee mebe ndebe self ndebe ya iji ụwa wolu peji ya mere another 10 peji no for something thousand o wolu peji ya mere another 10. Do you know how rapidly that page grew? Yes. On was here, I decide there. Go join see Matthias and aside there. I am giving that page 1 month to that page grow 100,000. In case if you don't know, that page grow 100,000. So how can you prove to me that a page that spread the message into 6 months or 7 months old from 0 followers to 100 and something thousand followers? How can you prove to me that na message that page in spread? Not real good. A page na spread ngenguma believe ne kopadolu na 40,000, 44,000. I'm talking about Ijowa. 44,000 for a long time. How can you tell me that? How can you prove to him that he is on the right path, that he is not on the right track? How can you ever prove it? How can you prove it? Yes. Where are all the Christians? If you go to Ijowa page and follow that page, or make a video, share that video. Let me even go to page Matthias. Every time I want to know what you are doing to suppress that message. Matthias, let me go to page. Even Nacho can go say on that now. Everything is something that will always show somebody that he is on the right track. He is on the wrong track. You see, he is on the wrong track. This video 12 hours ago, 47 shares. 47 shares. This video 18 hours ago, 456 shares. 456 shares. This Obundilo, promote immediately. Promote the guy immediately. So also no share video the guy in a page here. From his own page alone, that video with 22 shares. Yeah. The pastors are not Uduru Jesusia. The pastors are not Jesusia. This particular one day ago, 99 shares. 99 shares. 27 shares. 27 shares. 94 shares. Yeah, 43 shares. 163. And even in all in one day, more than 15 shares and posts all in one day. Yet people will keep sharing for as long as never hold a whoop with an point against Christianity. Go on, if you video, yes, ride on. Yeah. All actually they know message and only maybe your message. You want to go? But then inbox some for the level of engagement when I inbox from this people, then you will nod your head. But the only thing I'm not going to tomorrow is my birthday. I'm crossing over to the new age. If you don't can if you don't can if I don't I hang me. Yes. School more people get let us tell ourselves the truth. Let us tell ourselves the truth. If you, our Christian brothers, keep telling us that we are on the wrong side, then we will go to the side where people are taken to be good side. Yes. And when that time comes, don't even say, yeah, because you encouraged it. Why so many people are into cross-dressing today? Is it not because now Bobrisky succeeded through that side? Yes. Bobrisky succeeded through that side. But can we even battle on Ifu a treaty video if a man we feel like Ishi aye Kelonu Iji Anosa Matthias and Ando to your uncle. Every man at the whole weapons in well available at your disposal. You are failing to use it. If you cannot speak and people will listen, why can't you share those who put out their time to speak? Why can't you share it? Why can't you share it? So, Obulu na nene anya for na message madu spread and on I got faster than your own. What does it mean? What it means is that now your own anything that you are wasting your time. You are wasting your time. My birthday will be tomorrow. I will be on the road that tomorrow. Then on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, I got visitations. Yes. According to Ntunsi, where space the thing, although from Thursday we assembled the whole plan, then twice is when I guy will have here. What I go all along on this page, you say, oh no, a support of that particular birthday outreach. No, you free to reach out to us. So far, so good. Some people respond. What I go, which I will mention their names after the whole event. I will mention the names of the people respond. What I go, because as in show appreciation that people some people will walk away free to freedom from hospitals. What I go, have to go 1 or 2 4. I have to be frank and honest. What I go, imagine because of hospital bill, mother 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. For the name herself, I'm not saying a clean up in a hospital. So it's an Azuno. It's a house staff and a Hugo. Yamana house staff that they are working for their money. Then you will on this same person will relatives. On a distant person will relatives. Creating the relations, so those people, the few of them we can manage will set free. Back to their families. The few of them that the resources available at my disposal can manage to take care of their expenses. I will do that so that they can go home to their families. Then let us also remember those children. On a motherless babies home there. They are not even enjoying the only even as name on your family. Where one where go mana ego. At least you must in a hope na one day they go yabia. But imagine there be every city in a motherless babies home like 2-3 times. Whoever anyam miri na chumanya. Go anyam na chumanya. Because when you look at a mother, one I was done and then imagine with family piece then for Tanasi, those who see no one knows or one knows who that was. Imagine only no one day. So I want to also see how I will also go and celebrate with them. Then the third part is also that now having the privilege to stay with closer to onye nwere school. Ama m ife a lot of parents na struggle n'ipe school fees ụmụ ha. Ụfọdụ ụmụazị do determined ije akwụkwọ, but ọ ịkwụ ụgwọ akwụkwọ wisi ịyafụ nwatakịrị o ji ụgwọ first term, jide ụgwọ second term, jide ụgwọ third term, ọ ka na-abịa akwụkwọ because na ọ chọrọ ịga school. Ịghọtana? And of a true, parents here cannot afford to pay for that school fees. So we also want to see one or two of them will put a smile on their face. These are my programs, but I hope and wish that God will allow me to put hand in all these three places in Kuru. I pray that God will allow me to put a smile at the faces of people now. Each and every of these three places in Kuru. Then we know. I want to celebrate my birthday, putting smiles in the faces of people. And when people who have really supported, and I will gradually show appreciation to them after everything. Can they matter that it is not only my making, but other people making it, although possible. So you are free to join the train. Inbox me if you want to join the train. Today, I'm showing my interaction with people. I have only interacted with one person. I've already interacted with one person. Bobble na program. They share that program. This page flat that page full or that the only thing I need is your support. It's your support so that we know that I am on the right track. Yes. What are you telling me? I want to know that I'm on the right track. There are so many things in my page, Facebook, are you not aware? Now, those people work at their pages to fight this cause. Yes. To balance this equation between our Igbo brothers. You should be, the least thing you should be doing for them is to encourage them by clicking on the share button and like button. Yes. Otherwise, it means that your body language needs enough support of message in the need. Yes. It means if we should go and join our brothers. If I have the right thing. Or if you for the a program now and the other program. Although na that life program, I'm not 7,000 something wash here. It just say na shares, they put 33 shares. Then I am asking. More to 1,700. Let me even use more to 1,500. More to 1,500. Mananje na wall afumu videos at Suha. Afumu nke afumu series of videos in a share. Kerife messing in here metwaka na share button. Share that particular video. Why can you not do that? Kerife yeah. If only man a message on a preach or a message, it's against that person. What are you doing to protect your own faith? Those people, they are doing everything they are doing. Their own faith. What are you doing to protect your own faith? Nothing. You are not doing anything. You are not doing anything. What if you name it? So if I own name another mouth. What's an if I own name another mouth? Oh, I'm not actually ego or na ego Facebook or if I will go. Enjoy not also maybe say now or name on also maybe say na card white. Enjoy also maybe say now or how can make work. Ndaho ya can work. How can work. akacha m ụfọdụ n'ime ha ekwu okwu. Happy birthday is still allowed though. O nwere onye m chọrọ ịkpọta ebe a ka ọ bịa ebe a ka anyị kwuo okwu. Ịghọtago? So even na agwa gị reality, ọ bụrụ na ibere ibelive ịchọ ha happy. That is why onye chọ ha, yeah, Ifeoma, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Iso na ndị na-enye anyị maximum support no matter what. Yes, I know them. I'm somebody like Alex or Goa, if I'm not mistaken, or Nonselu Aka, Iwotago. I am ndị na-enye anyị that maximum support. Amaka more day. We know them. Only one person, Amanda, yes, only one person. I told me what who need to hear the name of that particular girl. Hey, get the name of that girl. Get the name of Oshkura Felgena. Yes. And with so many people, them not together with us. They want to go. They need their support. For that girl, Nyawo, the first person, if not the second person, they share any video and amen at this page. And I must appreciate her tomorrow on next na my birthday. What is her name? Viewers, please don't misunderstand the Gonamo. You know, of course, I cannot carry everybody along, but I want to. That girl, she's really, that is the girl now. The girl now surprise him. Kelu her name. I want to see her name. Of course, in every post I must. Oh, you wouldn't know your name. I'm home no why they fuck on okay. Annie Humphrey. ANIH Humphrey. Our name ever. Non go Annie Humphrey. I don't care inbox from. I want you to inbox me. I want you to inbox me. And I think yes, Zion. Yeah, yes, Zion, because I'm from Ebon and Guam yesterday. Oga Ezugo Global TV. You didn't come Zion Ministry yesterday. You promise. Boss, I greet you. Yes, because Annie Humphrey. I'm on the work on why send the message na your inbox. Onye Italo, nda so na nde melu na anyị ka na-ekwusi okwu ike. Nda so na nde melu na anyị na-ekwusi okwu ike. Ịghọtago? So that is how we should be. Ụmụkwara ndị nọ na Zion anyị ma na oge ọwụna na ha na-support ife anyị na-eme. Ama m ha, I know them by name. You want to go? I know them. Okay, what is this? My brother. Okay, the name of this my brother again. Imonye. This my brother. Imonye. In Dubai. Only in about the message. Only in about the message in the inbox. Come for. Thank you very much. Only in about the message come for. And I support why you for my onye Zion ke we Zion member ke we. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yeah. Okay, that's our brother. I want to call his name. And I comment in every of my friends. Then Frank Wolabi. Majesty CEO. Majesty CEO. Majesty CEO. Greetings. Frank Owelabi. Ononselu Aka. Nde Nano Eli from day one. Ogandubisi Ikechukwu Patrick, always with us. Always with us, no matter what. Okosi Sioje, always with us, no matter what. I don't know. Ndema Boho na Kidenu Mu, but I will try because I'm a Manda. I know them. Ndema Boho na Kidenu Mu. I must not call everybody. I must not call everybody. Igbo Igbo. Thank you very much. Basil Aniago. Basil Aniago. Always Kudarintin. Thank you very much. Basil Aniago. Thank you very much. Na interact with us. Those Emmanuel, they not interact with us no matter what. No matter what. Hana interact with us. Oblogo on a post through video. If picture Bukobi, and if we Bukobi or Zion. Ebia, a what I go? Or throw good now. It's not good. Yeah, I'm not see about him. You I go whip on now. Hey, Uluchukwu Amakibe, thank you very much. You commented right on time. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You ought to go. Uluchukwu Darlington. Because of for them but her life. In a zone at the first person now but my life. You ought to go. In a zone at the first person now but my life. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. You ought to go. Kenny Obiola, you are also supporting us big time. You are also supporting us big time. Yeah, I want to appreciate, yes, I want to appreciate some of my fans today. You know, go. I want to appreciate some of my fans today. Oluwa Bukola, thank you very much. Thank you very much. I want to appreciate some of my fans today. And of course, I'm on Namabogo Amake Mode, Bushi Irabo. I'm on Namabogo here. Thank you very much. Frank Owela, I will thank you also. I will keep thanking you. You want to go? Wisdom Chibuzo Engineering Tools Enterprises. No, Oblonia. No, it's not him. It's not him. Bless Odi Peter. Bless Odi Peter. Thank you very much. Amanda Shi, I've thanked you before. I'm thanking you again. Kenny Obiola, I've thanked you before. I'm thanking you before. I'm thanking you again now. Look, you did. Something came up. There was him. Something came up. And then was him. I hope that next Sunday in Lagos, I will come. No, Lagos, I will come. Isiagu, I've greeted you before. Only one particular person in Cholo here. Oluchukwu Darlington, the reason Patalo Facebook which we I have to be honest with you, which is what I am trying to tell our people. This program, for the topics I treat, topic very controversial. The only way to support it is by massively either share this program. Now, like here, let's send the Nanya upon the Buyogo and the program. Of course, her name makes a lot of people I adapt here. That is exactly what they are doing. You want to go? And I shadow ban a lot of people. And how they say, I shadow ban and down engage more na your post. That is the secret. The other